Hey guys, and welcome to Dark Blue Nutrition. My name is Katie and I'll be your trainer today. Today we are going to do a quick booty band burner that I think you're really gonna love. You're gonna feel it in the hips, the thighs, the booty, and your legs. So let's get straight into it. All you're gonna need today is a bottle of water, a booty band, and a yoga mat, and that's it. For this first move, we're going to warm up. So squat down, arch that right leg out to the side, arch the opposite side. So you don't need your booty band for this one. We're just gonna warm up those legs, the hips, the outer and inner thighs, the booty. Keep those palms pressed to each other right in front of you. This is one of my favorite ways to warm up. It's a good squat. It's kind of a lunge too. And it's just a really good stretch. Whew. Just a few more and we'll get straight into that workout. I know you guys are ready to burn that booty today. 10 more seconds. 2 and 1. Great job. For our second warm-up move, we're going to kick the knee to the front and then to the side. Front and side. So you're gonna feel this in the front of your thigh. You're also gonna feel it in the inner thigh as you press to the side. It takes a little bit of balance in the core and in that stabilizing leg. Just a few more on this side. All right, let's switch sides. If you feel one leg is a little bit better at balancing than the other, that's totally normal. You're doing an amazing job. If you need to step that foot down in between moving from front to side, that's okay too. All right, 2 more. So grab that booty band, we're gonna put it above your knees and do a double pulse squat. So pulse 2 times as you come down, squat back up, squeeze those cheeks, and do it all over again. Really squeeze as you come up, pulse down as far as you can when you come down. Just a few more. Give it all you got. 2 more. 2 and 1. All right, next one is difficult, but we can do it. So let's do a caterpillar walkout and a plank jack at the end. So walk it out, jump, and walk it back in. Whew. They are tough, but I believe in you. Do it as slow as you need, and if you'd like to make it easier, you can always do it with no booty band. If you want to challenge yourself, get out that heavy booty band and try it again with me, and you'll be sweating. Let's do one more together. Whew. That was killer. Now go all the way down into that plank position, and we are going to do a spider plank to pike. So right elbow to right knee, move that booty to the sky, left elbow to left knee. This one is tough, but you can do it. 30 seconds. Press the booty to the sky and press the knee to elbow. If you want to make this a little easier, you can always modify it on your knees. if you need to. 5 more seconds. 2 and 1. Knees to the ground. Whew, that was killer. Let's get up on our mat, and we are going to have our legs hip width distance apart. Squat down and press that booty to the right, press it to the left. This is called a hula squat because you kind of look like a hula girl while you do it. And it feels so good for those glutes. Just 15 more seconds. You got it. If you're breathing hard like me, it's okay. You are strong. You are capable. All right, now we are going to do standing knee ups, booty band in the same position. You don't have to move it. And we are going to alternate sides. So knee up, 90-degree angle, and opposite knee. Feel it in the tops, the legs, the quads. And it's a little bit of a balancing move too. Go as slow as you need. You really want to balance in this one. 15 seconds. Two and 1. All right. Now, booty band, same position as always, but we are going to stand on our right knee, bend that left leg, palms together, and press the left booty cheek. And really feel it in that left leg. We're also going to feel it in the stabilizing leg on the opposite side. If you need to grab a wall for balance, you absolutely can. This one takes balance, but you've got this. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we are doing this on the opposite side now. One leg is a little more balanced than the other. You can always hold on to the wall for that stability. Just a couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. This is the last move of our round. You are going to do standing rainbow kicks. Booty band in the same position, leg out in front, and rainbow kick it to the back and to the front. We're incorporating a lot of balance in here. And it's tough. It's not easy. But each time you do this, you're gonna get a little bit stronger, a little bit more balanced and flexible. And we work our way up. All right, opposite side. Left leg, up and back. You can also move your booty band to the ankles if you want a little more challenge to this move, or you can just get a heavier band and it'll be pretty difficult. 2 more, 2 and 1. Okay, so this is your booty band workout. I'm so proud of you. Take that booty band, let's do a stretching routine. Put that booty band around your knee and help it pull that knee up towards your chest. You don't have to have a booty band for this move, but I kind of like to use them sometimes to help me do my stretching routine. Opposite side. You can do this one more time through, or 2 more times through if you're really wanting a challenge. I know this is not an easy one. All right, now we're going to kick that back leg to your booty. So doing this 2 or 3 times through would be a full length workout. It could be 10, 20, or 30 minutes, depending on what you prefer and what you're looking for right now. If you want to pair this with another dark blue nutrition workout, I have some in the description box below. Switch sides, which you can check out at any time. Make sure to subscribe to the Dark Blue Nutrition channel just so you can get up to date on all things nutrition, fitness, and mindful eating. I'm a registered dietitian and personal trainer, and so I can't wait to teach you everything I know and to help you be more of a mindful eater and a mindful mover. So I can't wait to see you in the comments below, and I will see you in the next workout. Bye guys.